Hey guys, this is Karthik from the code site, and today we are going to see about login design from using the Adobe. And one more thing, that Adobe XD is only for the Windows 10 and not for the Windows 7. And for Windows 7 people can use the Figma for configurations. And let's get today started. Just moving to Windows XD, and yeah, as far as I said that we have been designed for the Android registration page, and we have been just linked to the login site, and today we will be able to create a new login by using a different design. And let's try it using Android first. And yes, this is the artboard, and we are going to try it with its email. Which I made by using a stock or a Google, and don't think that Google is made for a reason. Just use a Google for any issues that you feel. And I have been using some PNG images here so that I could use that for this login content, and you can actually drag and drop in this design. Yes, we got that. And see, we got lots and lots of images, right? Yes, and here we will use one more eclipse symbol, Google, and just type a stock for 6 stock images. And yes, which will be taking you to the Adobe site. And you can just fetch images from here. Just images, videos, templates, anything can be downloaded for easy, and that's for designing. And here you can just type a user, and you see lots of images here, right? And yes, you can take any one of this image for your designing. We will choose something interesting today. For now, let's just choose. I think this one will be better, right? Yes. I think here it's 2. Okay. And this will be as a desktop view from the Android designer. And yes, this is what you will be seeing in your app if you design, and this design will be developed as soon as in an Android Studio, and this will be uploaded as soon as the studio has been ready. And yes, stay tuned to the channel, and before winding up, we will be having this, that here we will be using Android Studio for the developing of the login, and it can be, any app can be used in this or it can be developed in the Android Studio, and soon we will be teaching or plotting this. And we can also develop Android Studio in the platform using a Flutter. And yeah, stay tuned to the channel and don't forget to subscribe the Cody site. Thank you guys. Just make the design as possible, and any queries you can just contact me or you can just comment in my sections. I will be just responding it as soon as possible. Before moving on, please check the link in the description for the UI UX design code, which is with Udemy, and just start. And never forget to click on the notification button for the upcoming videos. And do like the video if you like it.